I'm Shawn Harris. I'm the Recreation Coordinator at the Pleasanton Senior Center, and I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew mask for yourself. So you need a couple things. A piece of material. I just happen to have a bandana here, but it could be an old t-shirt that you cut out or just some scrap material you have. You also need two rubber band type of things. I have two scrunchies, but you could also use two regular hair bands. So what you do is you take your material and you fold it up a couple of times over. You take your rubber bands or scrunchies and you put one on either end about a third of the way in your material, like so. And then you fold the ends over your scrunchie or rubber band and flatten it out. And then what you're going to do is these scrunchies or rubber bands are going to go over your ears. So you just put it up to your face, put it over your ears, and there is your no-sew mask.